Hey Pisces, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of June. It is safe for you to love. Open your heart to give and receive the highest energy of all. Okay, this is really interesting because while pulling cards, let me just tell you what keeps coming to mind. Pisces, I feel like a lot of you guys are dealing with someone, I feel like it could be someone new, right? And that's why Spirit is saying you definitely deserve love. You know, you guys are putting the work, you're ready. But there could be something that may take place that could possibly cause some type of separation between the two of you for a second. But then I'm seeing getting to know each other. So I don't know if this is the person that you're dealing with, if they're still kind of going through something and they're really needing to work on themselves or get out of something, which could be why there's going to be a separation. But Spirit is saying they want you to take your time, just go with the flow, you know, have fun, really get to know this person before you jump in. But they're saying it is safe for you to love. So that's what they're saying. I want you to go slow, but kind of, you know, just ease yourself, you know, into the situation with this new person, because I'm more so picking up new energy. Let me see. Yeah, I'm seeing express your love, flirt, passion, soulmate very soon, taking a cautious approach. You called and you manifested somebody, but you had to let go of an ex. See what I'm saying? This definitely could be somebody new. Let me find out. Y'all about to be the first ones in history to just have a straight singles reading. Like, yes, finally. Because let me, Pisces, y'all been putting in the work, okay? Y'all, I know y'all are tired of hearing about the past. I promise y'all I'm tired of talking about it. So, I keep picking up new energy, which is amazing. So, y'all, please cross your fingers. Everybody, hold hands. Say a prayer. Let's kumbaya this. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's hope this just continues through the rest of the reading. But, you know, every time I be like, oh, yeah, y'all, see, new person, then here come the past. Alright, but we're going to stay positive. Let's just see. Alright, Two of Cups reversed. So, yeah, there's a breakup. There's some type of split. See? I can't make that up. So, let's just see. Alright, so there was a lot of, like, arguing or, like, disagreements with you and someone else. And this is causing little to no communication. See what I'm saying? There's going to be a separation here. So I'm sitting here seeing that Spirit wants you to know, they don't want you to be frustrated about this, and they want you to listen to your intuition, Pisces. Okay. Because I'm seeing that something will be moving fast for you, but you're back and forth with the Four of Wands. You don't know if you can have stability with someone. You don't know if, okay, if this person, you can see yourself having like a home, a family with this individual. Yeah, and you're sad. Tell me more. Where's the Five of Cups? Okay. Somebody could be dealing with a Taurus, but I'm picking up this energy where either you're in your head about this individual or this is someone in their head about you. So like I said, this definitely could be somebody new that you're dealing with, but I will throw it out there because there's so many of you guys. I'll just say it could be the past person wanting to, you know, come back, work things out. Maybe you guys have, you know, reconnected, you were talking, and then it's like there was another separation. So just take it however it fits. But I'm seeing here that this person definitely wants to have a commitment with you, but maybe they're still stuck in a situation with someone else that they're needing to get out of, and that could be messing with their finances. So let's see. Yeah, somebody feels like you don't want to build with them. Okay, yep, because they're stuck in a codependent situation. I can't make this up. Or there's some type of codependency with this person that affects their finances. Yeah, it's more so down. I feel like somebody doesn't want to walk away. Tell me more. But they're dragging their feet to make a move.
Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. But somebody, yeah, because whoever this is, it's like they're taking a long time to make a decision, and now they're frustrated because they're feeling like if they don't make a move soon, they're going to lose you for good. Somebody could be dealing with the Leo, but this person is trying to have the strength to come towards you. Did I tell y'all fire energy? It's like if they're not a fire sign, they could have fire in their chart. Somebody could be dealing with the Sagittarius, but yeah, this is somebody that you felt like left you out in the cold. But I feel like you've been healing from that. But whoever messed up, they're having a hard time with this. So they know that they did you wrong. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. But they're just to the point where they feel like you're done with them. You know, you're going to cut them off for good. See, they're having a hard time with this. Because there was a tower moment on their end. Alright, somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But they're back and forth with making a decision. Tell me more. Yep. Why is the Three of Cups here? This person definitely wants to celebrate with you. They want to take you out, have fun with you. They definitely want a victory, and I feel like they're rushing in to tell you this. Okay. So, yeah, I'm telling you, somebody's coming in because they want to turn things around with you. But Pisces, they feel like they hurt you. Excuse me. They feel like they hurt you. Could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But see, back and forth with the Four of Swords, it's like, one minute they're frustrated. I feel like they're frustrated because they weren't making a move. There was something that they weren't doing to really pursue you, to really take things to the next level. And then at the same time, they're trying to come out of that energy. Tell me more. Yeah, see? Communication. This person definitely wants to talk to you. But there was something that took place in the past. It could have been like a past person, a family situation. And it's like they're not happy. They know that they didn't make you happy, and now they're worried that you're not going to accept the Ace of Cups from them, this offer of love. So this person is going to come in and apologize to you for breaking your heart, you know, possibly putting you in some type of third-party situation. See, this person's come back speaking their truth. Pisces, you could be dealing with another Pisces. Somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or a Sagittarius. But see, this person, whoever messed up, they look at you like a blessing, but they're not putting in the work just yet. But they're going to come back. I'm seeing that they're going to balance things out with you, Pisces. They're going to make things right. They do want things to improve. But why is the devil here? Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Why is the devil here? Clarify the devil, please. Oh. I know there are other cards here, but I don't... Alright, Pisces. So, and it's so interesting that even came out, because I'm going to be honest, when I was shuffling and I was asking about the devil, I started getting a headache. And just to see the Magician jump out, and even the Page of Wands is here, I'm going to be honest, somebody was doing some type of black magic or spell work. And I was wondering why I was getting a headache looking at that card. I feel like, oh Lord, okay. Y'all stressing me out. Okay, look, so whoever you were dealing with, right? Pisces, you were dealing with someone else. Cross-watcher, if you're dealing with a Pisces, this is what's going on. So just, again, take it however it fits. Whatever was going on, somebody was doing some type of spell work or black magic. I mean, hands down. I got a headache, for real. I feel like this person, they're breaking out of it. They're getting out of whatever was done to them. But that was the issue. That was the holdup in this situation. And I'm seeing here that this person, whoever I feel like the spell work or the black magic was done to, you know, they're breaking out of it and they're realizing that they want to have something with you, you know. But I feel like, also I feel like whoever was doing this to them, they're like, okay, everything that I've been doing to, you know, him or her to keep them stuck or to keep them bound with me, I want that to grow. I want those seeds to grow. I want this person to stay with me. Y'all, what did y'all have me reading today? Alright, so, yeah. This person definitely wanted you guys to miss an opportunity. Whoever was the one doing this to your person. And I'm feeling like your person is just to the point where they're feeling like, okay, they're not going to have a new opportunity with you because they kept stabbing you in the back. Now, I'm not going to put everything on spell work and black magic, because I am picking up this energy where it's been some times where they could have made choices where things weren't being done to them and they still went wrong. They chose wrong. But I'm not going to ignore the fact that there was definitely some type of spell work or black magic that was done that also went into the fact where you had all these swords stabbed in your back. Because now they're realizing, like, I said this, I did that, I can't believe it, like, I have to go back and make this right. See? They're making changes. In the past, this person was being really sneaky, and they want things to improve with you. Some said put this one here. They want things to improve with you, but see, the fact that I'm seeing 2 7s, whoever they were with, whether it's friendship, family, love interest, this person was holding on to your person really, really, really tight, and that's the problem. Lord, on a Sunday, y'all. On a Sunday. Alright, so anyway. I'm seeing that some of you guys could be dealing with a Libra, but this is them coming back to speak their truth to you. I'm telling you, they're freeing themselves from this situation. They're having to get out of it. See? This person isn't confused. Didn't I tell y'all they're getting out of what was done to them? They're not confused. They're coming towards you. They're just still taking their time. Because maybe, see, I was just about to say, and judgment just tried to come out. So maybe some of them have to go through, like, there's some type of contract that they're going through and they're needing to get out of that. See, and that's why one minute they want to rush in to say something to you, but at the same time, they're taking their time because, look, they're worried about something with their finances. One, they're worried that you're not going to accept this offer because they've done a lot. But if there is some type of contract or there's something that is keeping them bound to this other individual, like legally, you know, that's why they're worried about money as well. Tell me more. But they don't want you to cut them off. Somebody could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. See? They're coming to you, but this person is trying to hold on to them for financial gain. And that's why they're undecided about how to go back and fix this. Because I'm telling you, look at that. Queen of Pentacles, I'm telling you, somebody is holding on to them for money. Their focus is money. This is why a lot of things, you know, were done. It wasn't out of love. It was, you know, because somebody created some type of lifestyle for this other individual. Could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. Somebody's dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But this individual needs to speak up. They have a hard time telling you how they feel. Stubborn energy, what I keep picking up. Because, see, they want to have a new beginning with you. See? Stubborn energy, that pride, that ego. They're needing to get out of it. But you see that? The Emperor and the Empress? This is your person. Whoever I'm reading for, and if this resonates, you already know this is your person. This is definitely soulmate. Could be twin flame situation. But you guys are not on the same page. This person has some work to do. Because, see, look, they want things to improve with you. And they want to heal things with you. You could be dealing with an Aquarius. They're coming back, Pisces. This person wants to have a new beginning with you. But they're isolating themselves until they free themselves from the situation that they feel stuck in. Could be dealing with a Virgo. Yep, because if they feel like if they come back to you right now, you're not going to accept this offer. They really have to get out of whatever they were in. See? They made a decision. What's their decision? I can't vision.